Today let's do gunda. Now gunda is nothing but idli. But idli is not done in the regular way. It is been steamed with this type of leaf ka katoris. So I'll show you how to do this. To do this type of katoris in leaf, we require this jackfruit leaf and we require some toothpicks. So let's start doing the same. So I'll take 4 jackfruit leaf. One I'll place it like this. 2, third one, and the 4th one. Okay. So this is how I do. So I'll just prick in the toothpick and just cut it off. So once this is done, it's fixed, we have to just fold it like this. There is no hole. We have to hold it like this and prick another toothpick and cut it off. In the same way, all the 4 sides we need to do like this and seal it out. There is no holes in this, so whenever we pour the idli batter, it will not pour out. So I have already done couple of them. I have to just now grind the batter and get it fermented. Post fermenting, I will be pouring in the idli batter inside this and keep this directly for steam like this for about 15-20 minutes. So let's grind the idli batter. I shall show another one to do. So the 2 leaves, I'll just pin it up. So this is done. So let's begin with the thing. This looks easy, but it is not so very easy to do the katoris. If you cannot do this or you don't get the leaf, you can get this type of katoris in Mangalore stores. If you can give the order, they will get it done within a day's time. Most of the Mangalore stores, they have this. So the katori is ready. The idli batter is fermented for the last 8 hours. Now I shall add salt and nicely stir this. The batter is nicely mixed with salt. Now I've taken a idli cooker for us to steam, and I've kept this leaf katori, the jackfruit leaf katori. What we need to do is, it is hot now. I shall take the idli batter and drop it inside the katoris. consistency of the batter should be so thick. I filled all the katoris with the idli batter. Okay, so let's steam this for about 20 minutes. So let it steam for 20 minutes. Now this is steaming for the last 20 minutes now. I shall open it and just see it is clean. So this is done. Let us just remove this. Keep it aside. The gundas are ready. I shall take it forward for plating. This can be served with chicken curry, any of your curry, the sprout curry, the green gram sprout curry goes well along with this, or you can do with chutney for morning breakfast. So this is just like a idli, but only thing is it is steamed with the jackfruit leaf katori or a bowl which is being done. So here goes the gunda. Let me start doing the plating. The gunda is ready. I am serving it with the chicken gravy. So we'll just remove this sticks. And open this like this. You need to cut it. Like this. Gunda with chicken gravy is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Enjoy the Mangalore delicacy. So it's very soft. Thank you.